I am very disappointed. I mean, for 4,000, MAC just launched a new serum foundation and I have to try it out. Alright, so this is what I have. Now I have a few products. Let me show you guys what all. So I have the strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. This is what that looks like. And then I have the matte lipstick, which I've obviously already tried and I do really like it. And the product that you guys are here for is this one. This is the new MAC foundation. Now this is the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powder Foundation. This is what it looks like. It comes in a normal, MAC packaging. And it has a pump as well. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what that looks like, and I'm in the shade NC25. Now it's a classic MAC packaging and the foundation comes with a pump. This one retails for almost 4,000 rupees, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's a frosted glass bottle. So I'm just gonna apply some primer so that I don't have any pores and I have smooth, I will have pores, but I'll just have a smoother texture and not very enlarged pores. I've already moisturized, so my skin is well prepped, and this is a primer that I use a lot, and I know this works really well. So yeah, let's see how it performs with the foundation. Okay, so it's quite runny, which means good for dry skin. Let's try it out. Now I feel like it feels very warm. Okay, it feels very warm. Let's see how it goes. I'm taking my brush and directly going over. Yes, it's too warm for NC25. Okay, it blends nicely. I think it blends decently, but the shade match is very off. Like for NC25, it's way warm. So as you can see, the foundation blends in really well and it looks super smooth. It has medium to buildable coverage. Of course, you can build up more and it looks very radiant, just like the name suggests. So as you can see, the foundation is on, but as an NC25, this is too dark for me. Let me compare it with my normal NC25 MAC foundation. So I have the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation also in the shade NC25. Let's compare the shades. So I'm looking in the mirror and I can see that my face has become super dark and the foundation has oxidized on me like crazy in literally like just 2-3 minutes. So I have the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation also in the shade NC25, and I want to compare both of these. I also want to see if this one oxidizes on its own. However, the NC25 shade range is like really off with this one. This is Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. This is the Studio Radiance. As you can see, there is already so much difference, and the Studio Radiance foundation is already very warm. Let's wait 5 minutes to see if they oxidize any further. So in meanwhile, I went ahead and corrected my face with a little concealer. I had to add a lighter concealer to make sure that it looks fine, because in real life it was looking so bad, even though it doesn't look that bad on camera. So this is what it looks like, and now we're gonna test if it oxidized or not. So this is the MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm gonna take a new brush so that we can be fair, and I'm gonna also shake it up a little bit. Okay, so now that we have the fresh color, okay, so it definitely did oxidize. As you can see, this is the fresh swatch of the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and this is the old one, so definitely it oxidized. Now taking another brush, new brush, and I'm gonna test out if the Studio, which I already know, Serum Foundation oxidized. Oh boy, can you see how much it has oxidized? Look at the color difference. Oh my goodness. This is the fresh swatch of the Serum Foundation, Radiance Foundation, and this is the old one. As I said, as I could already see on my face, that it oxidizes like crazy. It's already 2-3 shades darker. I am very disappointed. I mean, for 4,000, if it oxidizes that much, I'm sorry, I'm picking drugstore any day. Alright guys, so to round up my thoughts about this foundation, I have to say that I'm already put off a lot by the fact that this one oxidizes so much, and that's also not the problem. It's already not a perfect NC25. Like, if I compare it to the Studio Fix, as you guys already saw, it doesn't match up to the shade range. So suppose if you're NC25 or 40 or whatever in the MAC, and you already know your MAC shade and you thought, let me just pick it up in the same shade, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be super dark. I don't know how, but I think they missed it with the shade range in this one. However, if you really want to try the foundation, make sure you go and try it in a store. Online, don't buy it, because I feel like in a store you would be able to see how much it oxidizes and then buy the right shade for you, right? So I've already corrected my face with lighter concealer, and I've already done all the work to make it look doable, but I can still feel that warmth in this foundation, like in this shade actually. So I'm just very off about that. However, let me just say that I do like the formula. It looks like, as you can see, I have no highlighter on, and I have not used a highlighter just so that I could show you guys the actual formula and how it looks on the skin on its own. I have a dry skin, and as you can see, it does have that radiance, that natural glow with the foundation, and I do like it. Like, I am not saying that the formula is bad or the foundation is bad. I'm just saying that it oxidizes a lot, and for the price that you're paying, which is around 4,000, I don't think we should have that problem, right? Like, I don't want to be paying 4,000 and then not be able to match myself correctly with the foundation. So yeah, that's that. But I will, however, say I do like the foundation. Like, it does, like, I have not set my I've only set my under eyes, but I've not set my foundation here. So as you can see, it doesn't, like, it's not, it does, however, it does transfer a little bit. Obviously it's a liquid foundation, but it does not transfer like crazy. Okay, so if you set it with a little bit of powder, I think you'd be good to go. I do like it, my problem. But yeah, so like, if I have to suggest it, I would say if you really want to try it out, like, I do like the formula, so if you really want to try it out, go into the store, but do not buy it online. I would give it like a 2.5 out of 5 if you really ask me. And yeah, I think that's it. This is what it looks like. That's it for the review. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, also follow me on my Instagram, and comment below what next would you guys like to see and what are your thoughts about this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.